Hello, and welcome to BrushMyQuant channel. If you want to increase your knowledge of maths and wish to receive regular updates from us, then consider subscribing to the channel by clicking on the subscribe icon to the right bottom of the screen. So let's get started with today's topic of a problem on probability. We have taken this problem from GRE.MyPrepClub, and this is from their mini test 3. So let's try and solve the problem together. So in the following figures, what is the probability of picking a point in the shaded area? So triangle is given to us and some part of that triangle is non-shaded in this particular figure. So if you look at the symmetry of the figure, this actually looks like an equilateral triangle with another equilateral triangle inside that and another one inside that. Now there are two ways of solving the problem. Let's try and solve the problem using logic, which is faster. And then we'll also look at how to solve this problem using algebra. So if you look at this figure, this particular triangle is actually similar to this particular triangle. It's actually congruent to that particular triangle and to this triangle and so on. So we can divide this triangle into small triangles like that, which will be of equal area. So let's quickly go ahead and do that. Now, once we finish doing that, then we will notice that there are actually 16 such triangles, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. And the probability of picking a point in the shaded area will be nothing but number of triangles which are shaded in this, which are 13 of them apart from this 3 divided by 16, right? Because there are 16 triangles. So our probability will be 13 by 16. Now this is very easy to do if you are using logic to solve this problem. Now let's try and solve this problem using algebra, and let's see how we can quickly do that. So for that, let's assume side of each smaller triangle is 1 unit. That means this side becomes 2. So this becomes 2, and the bigger side actually becomes 4. So area of the shaded region, let's find it out that first. So area of equilateral triangle is √3 by 4a square. So √3 by 4 square to get the area of the entire big triangle minus 3 times the area of this smaller triangles, right? So 3 times √3 by 4 into 1 square divided by area of this entire big triangle. So √3 by 4 will cancel out. You'll have 16 minus 3, which is 13 divided by 16 as the probability. So answer will be 13 by 16. Hope you are able to understand how to solve this problem, and we look forward to sharing more videos with you next week.